my favorite recipe, my style Malai Paneer. For that I'm going to turn on the gas. I'm going to use oil, 2 spoons of oil. I'm going to use my homemade paneer. I'm going to use one big tomato tin which I have blended properly, and I have used 4 onions which I have grated. I'm going to use some ginger, and I'm going to also use some garlic, and I'm going to use some milk, 1 glass of milk. So let's start the recipe. I'm going to put some oil, 1 spoon of oil. I'm going to put some jeera, that is cumin seeds, 1 spoon. I'm going to put some grated onions. I've used 4 onions. Give it a stir. Can you see, with 1 spoon of oil, it took a little longer to stir it, but the oil has started separating now. And at this point, I'm going to put my garlic paste. I'm going to put my ginger paste, the ginger which I grated, not the paste. And I'm going to put all my masalas. I'm going to put 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of my garam masala. I'm going to put a little bit of chili sauce. It's hot, so I just want to make it a little spicy. That's why I'm doing it. I'm going to put my tomato and then give it a stir and keep stirring it for 15 minutes. The masala looks really good. Have a look at it. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of water and then give it a mix, because I want a little thick gravy. And now I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk in my gravy. I put 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk, but milk quantity I put more just to give it that milky, the malai texture. You can take double cream or single cream from the shop, but I don't want to make it that rich. That's why I'm using milk. You can add in more water or more milk depending on the consistency you need or you want. This is good enough for me. I'm going to taste my masala, whether the salt is enough or not. No, I don't need any more salt. 1 spoon was enough for me. I'm going to add in the paneer, the cottage cheese, slowly, and then give it a stir. And I'm going to stir it for 5 minutes, and then my dish will be ready. The dish is ready now. I'm going to put my homemade methi inside it. I just want to tell you a tip, that don't keep stirring the paneer too much, otherwise it may break. I'm going to plate it now. My malai paneer is ready now, and today we are going to have it with my naan. If you want to see my video, just go and have a look on Punjabi Mom Cooks, and hope you inspire others to cook as well. Thank you.